Hi friends, now I am here at Bayleaves restaurant Al Fahidi. Today I want to review Indian food which is available in Bayleaves restaurant. So let me enter inside and let me check that various types of food and its menu available. Bayleaves restaurant. They are delivering foods by Zomato and Talabat online delivery services also. Friends, from this menu we have chosen one chicken biryani, serial number 68, and one handi biryani mutton, serial number 72. My friend Mr. Sanawal also is with me to support our channel. We are waiting for the order. So we are going to review that chicken biryani and mutton handi biryani. Husband, we had chicken biryani. Really, it's delicious. We are going to start a food review with mutton handi biryani. This is mutton handi biryani. Colorful rice, half side given, inside mutton pieces. Follow the falls of the added. Yes, mutton biryani. Follow the falls of the added. Natural, all natural spice. Right. Let's get started.
Yeah.
And the mutton biryani.
Mutton biryani.
Yeah. How's the taste it is? First time I'm tasting this handi mutton biryani. How the taste?
Yeah.
Have you tasted handi biryani?
No. First time I'm trying.
You're
First time. Yeah. First both are trying for it.
First time we are trying the handi mutton biryani. How the taste it is? Let's have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Completely
Good and different taste.
yeah, different taste compared to other biryani. Other restaurant biryani.
When compared to other taste, other taste and
yeah.
flavor.
Yeah.
Here they have added, they have taken the support of various types of veg flavors.
Fish flavor.
Okay, supporting the mutton biryani.
We added capsicum also.
They added capsicum also, capsicum and the various types of spices, the colorful rice. Really, it is a different taste. New taste, ever I tasted this handi biryani.
Never. Yeah.
Very delicious. It's really delicious. Mutton pieces also well cooked.
Well cooked and
Well cooked and with
there's no bone in this. They are given only the mutton pieces.
okay, boneless. Boneless mutton pieces there. Flavor is also unique flavor, different flavor.
Flavor.
Not like Hyderabad dum biryani, not like fried beef biryani, not like chicken biryani,
Not like Kerala biryani also.
not like Kerala biryani also.
Completely different.
It's a completely different, unique taste, separate taste with good flavor and delicious. Rice is also well cooked and colorful. Different colors used: orange, yellow, light green. Really, I like it. Do you like it?
Yeah, completely different taste. Never tasted. First time I'm having like different delicious taste. Some vegetable also they added like capsicum.
Yes, sir.
Additional they added onion also.
Capsicum and onions are here. How do you feel the taste?
It's like for Ramstar as I mentioned, it's completely different taste. We tasted like many biryanis in many other restaurants like Kerala or Indian or
Hyderabadi.
Hyderabadi and all. Even in Bangalore restaurant also is right. Those tastes are completely different compared to this one. No? Completely, they made like more completely different. They added like fragrance and even spices.
Natural spices.
Natural spices. Along with it, they added like vegetables also, like capsicum, onion also. They added like additional onion also. It gives like very good taste, and we are feeling like first time we are having this type of
Different flavor.
different
Flavor.
type of flavor in biryani. Yes, it's very nice and tasty.
And this Bay Leaf restaurant also, they are taking care especially to cook this food.
Yep.
To serve the
They're
food.
taking time also to
We felt it is very healthy and tastier and delicious. So we should do support within Bay Leaf restaurant also. So finally, we want to give you the conclusion regarding this. It's very tasty and delicious. We have tasted chicken biryani and haldi mutton biryani. Two biryanis are tasty and very delicious. Thanks for your support and your likes and your shares and your subscriptions. Thanks for watching. Please support us to make more videos in future. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
See you.
Thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you. Bye bye.